Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility and collecting drivers. This saves time later. Plug the Edup USB adapter into a direct USB port. Make sure the LED lights. On Windows, open Device Manager and note any unknown device entries. This tells you driver installation is needed. On Mac OS or Linux, check network interfaces with built-in tools. Write down interface names. Once done, disable VPNs and third-party firewalls, briefly, so driver install can complete without blocked network calls. You now install the driver. Right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator, because elevated privileges register kernel modules correctly. If prompted about unsigned drivers, confirm only when the driver is from a trusted source. After installation, reboot the system to load the module. Once rebooted, check network settings. The adapter should list SSIDs, pick your network, and authenticate. If using static IPs, enter the address, gateway, and DNS. Otherwise, leave DHCP enabled for automatic configuration. You finish by validating the connection. Ping a reliable IP and browse a web page to confirm DNS and throughput. Then optimize settings, choose the correct band and channel width for range versus speed, and update firmware when available to fix bugs. If things go wrong, follow one key troubleshooting path. Reseat the adapter, test another USB port or cable, and reinstall the driver. Check system logs for module errors so you can identify permission or kernel conflicts. Contact vendor support if hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.